Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we are going to test this beautiful quick meal espresso machine. It comes to us with many problems with the steam. The steam actually it needs to be replaced, the whole thing to be like 100%, but it works fine now after I serviced it and I replaced all these tiny gaskets on it, and I replaced the valve, the bottom piston here, because it was like the other option is to do the whole overhaul for the machine, and I made tune up, drain both boilers and descale them twice, and replace the group head gasket with a nice silicone one, and the shower screen, and back flush it many times, lubricate all the moving parts here. So let's go ahead and test it. Yeah, and clean and reseal the water level sensor probe, because that was like causing delayed with and like some kind of errors with filling water. So let's go ahead and test it and make an espresso shot. Okay, let's test the steam one first. That's perfect. One more time. Perfect. Actually, but there is better, but I couldn't find the original one to replace the whole steam assembly. So let's make a espresso shot on it. This is nice. Gray shot with thick crema and tasty. So let's test the hot one. Here's the water pump, works right away because it gets descaled twice too. So yeah, the machine now functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.